In this video, I'll show you how to watch local channels on your Samsung Smart TV. First, make sure your TV is connected to the internet and you're on the home screen. Start by opening the Live TV app, which is pre-installed on most Samsung TVs. If you can't find it, you can search for it using the search bar at the top of the screen. Once inside the Live TV app, you'll be prompted to scan for available channels. Select the Settings option and go to Auto Tuning or Channel Scan. This will let your TV scan for all available local broadcast channels based on your location. After the scan is complete, you'll have access to the local channels in your area. If your TV doesn't have a built-in antenna or tuner, you can connect an antenna directly to your TV's coaxial port for over-the-air signals. Another option is to use streaming services like Hulu plus Live TV, YouTube TV, or Sling TV, which offer access to local channels in their channel packages. To access these services, simply download the app from the Samsung Smart Hub, log in with your account details, and you're all set to stream local channels. If you encounter any issues, make sure your TV's firmware is up to date, as this can affect functionality. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this guide helpful, and feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. Thanks for watching.